Welcome back live to the booth here at Strata, New York. I'm joined now by Tasso Argyros, Chief Technology Officer of Aster Data Systems. Tasso, thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you. Good to be here.
So how severe is the learning curve for big data analysis?
So there is a significant learning curve today because what has happened is that there's a lot of new tools and new skills that are required. And so people are trying to catch up and learn, but really there is a gap between the existing skill sets that are out there in enterprises and the tools that are available. So the gap can be okay if you're using the right tools, but can be very significant if you're using the wrong tools.
How long does it take someone with some technical pedigree to become proficient at big data analysis?
It's really big data analytics and data science is two things. The one thing is it takes some curiosity, cleverness, and some technical expertise to be a good data scientist. But then it's about learning the right tools or languages. So on the former, there are a lot of existing people in enterprises that are good at understanding data, analyzing data. But learning some of these new interfaces like programming, analytics, and MapReduce, for example, is a skill that some people have, but the majority of analysts do not.
Right. What's the state of analytic tool sets? Are they becoming more user-friendly?
So that's a very good question because a lot of the emphasis over the past 2 to 3 years have not been on being more user-friendly or easier to use, but have been on being more powerful. So we have a lot of tools out there that are powerful, but there aren't that many that are user-friendly. And really, if you think about it, most people out there really understand SQL, but MapReduce is what's out there as the next big thing.
Yeah.
So there are very few companies like Aster that really try to bridge this gap and build an interface that's SQL-friendly, but also MapReduce powerful.
So last question for you. Do you anticipate a time when data analysis is something that most people can pick up? And if you do anticipate that time, when do you think that will happen?
I think there is going to be a trend towards democratizing data analytics. I think some of the things that we're doing with exposing MapReduce to SQL and BI tools will definitely get us there. I don't know if everybody will be able to do, but our hope is that a majority of today's analysts and business analysts will be able to use MapReduce and big data, just like they're using SQL and databases today.
Right. Thanks so much for being with us. Really appreciate it.
Thank you. Good to be here.